Shalom and the self souls by giving all praise to Yahweh, Ba'ashem Yahushua, Ba'ashem Kal Kadash, double honors to the apostles of great Millstone, honors to brothers doing the work of the Most High in truth and in sincerity. Yahweh's real name, with whom the world English calls God Jehovah Yahweh. His real name is Yahweh. His son's real name is Yahweh Sham, and when we pray Yahweh, Ba'ashem Yahushua, but meaning in, meaning Dan Sham, meaning names Yahweh in the name of Yahweh Shai. Real quick, this is just a quick update I've been working on for the last week or so. And it was basically just trying to link through certain other Strong's Concordance through to and just basically like get some quick Wikipedia integrations. Just testing it at the moment, see whether I like it or not, or any comments below will be awesome as well. And the reason why I say that, because basically what I've had to do, if you can imagine, like there's several thousand entries of the Strong's Concordance, so I basically just put through the data and then like chucked it over to the chat GPT to basically like try find the best Wikipedia article associated with it, such that basically when you're just looking into words, then if there's a decent article, right, that it basically gets linked up, right, and in some places it works really well, like for instance, if you were to look for a place, for example, right, so Kush, you basically see the Kush according to the blah blah, etc, etc. Obviously certain of these things we know, and there are images in places, and of course the images that it's just pulling in an image, whatever the image from Wikipedia is. Obviously we know these people of color, okay, but where it really comes into usage is when we start talking about like places, right? I don't know if this is this is one I was drawing. This is just a picture, right? But you see where it is, roughly where it is, right? You got a link to would you call it to the Wikipedia, link to the Google Maps location, and then a Wikipedia link up there as well, just showing that the image is Wikipedia, not anything that we're that I'm basically doing, right? And then yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, so I'm just testing it out. I'm just putting a vid just as a heads up, right? There was another one that I was looking at into. Let me look in here. Let's see what's going on. I was just basically just looking at like different articles and stuff, just to test it out. Like I said, just beta testing it. Seeing what, seeing how it can, how it performs, whether it ends up being a good study aid and stuff like that. Obviously it's not on all places, but it's in words where, because I had to do quite a bit of manual cleaning up, because some when with them bloody Renaissance paintings and stuff like that, I didn't want that on there. Renaissance paintings of them bloody naked paintings that they used to do, right? It's funny because now that I'm looking, hold on, I think I know what's going on here. Something's not refreshed. That's why that's better. Okay, so that's something. Nothing like a live bug. So I'll clean that up. But yeah, basically you see it here. You just get the examples of the different things that might be of interest, in terms of just like study notes, just there. Like I said, I may keep it, I may delete it. I'll see what the spirit says on that particular issue, right, and stuff like that. But yeah, if if it does end up being useful, or if think actually now leave it, then I'll basically make a decision from there. So yeah, just something I've been working on, just in terms of just like making it a little bit easier. So like I said, you got these pictures and all of that, but that's just what the Wikipedia article is. I was trying to find because there's one, I forget where it is. I know what I'm doing. Let me look for Edom as an example. So because the thing is as well with the Strongs, you got different words. for the same thing, right? But this one, yeah, I just had to refresh because it was all in the cache, right? So you'll start seeing it, anyone who uses the site, you start seeing it. And as you can see, you just got a little bit of a map there, and that's like I said, where it kind of becomes very useful. But once again, yeah, just if you let me know what you think, and then yeah, we'll go from there. See what it says about Esau. Esau is the eldest son of Isaac in the Hebrew Bible. He is mentioned in the book of Genesis and by the prophet Obadiah Malachi, right? It's interesting how they chose those two. Says the story of Esau and Jacob reflects the historical relationship between Israel and Edom, aiming to explain why Israel, despite being a younger kingdom, dominated Edom. Right, the Christian New Testament alludes to him in the epistles to the Romans and in the epistles of the Hebrews. Right. So, like I said, just a quick update, and until next time, say shalom.